Hey, it's Tyler from Activebeat, and today I've got 6 reasons to consider trying tofu for you. Now, before the meat-eating members of our Activebeat team jump up in outrage, well, don't worry. We're not saying that you need to give up meat to try tofu. Vegetarian or not, tofu is definitely something worth trying, and here's 6 reasons why. Number 1, and before we get to the nutrition and health benefits of tofu, let's start with something simple. It's good to try new things. While tofu may be a staple for vegetarians, there's no harm in trying something new, right? After all, it'll open up your world to new foods and open up your culinary choices. Number 2, a little tofu history never hurts. Tofu is also known as bean curd and is made from coagulated soy milk. Tofu has been around for ages, so you can trust that this stuff is good, originating some 2,000 years ago in China. Doesn't that make you want to try it? Number 3, tofu is versatile. It can come in many different forms. You can get tofu in fresh forms, whether soft, firm, or extra firm, but you can also get tofu processed in fermented, dried, and frozen forms. The firmness of fresh tofu depends on how much water is pressed out of the tofu itself. Firm and extra firm tofu will better retain its shape when cooked and is often used as a meat replacement. You can even get tofu pickled, fried, smoked, and more. So let's talk nutrition. Number 4, and specifically protein. We'll consider fresh, soft tofu as our benchmark for nutrients. Now, tofu is a great source of protein, and that's why so many people use it as a meat substitute for their dishes. Whether you're vegetarian or for those who just want to shake things up, you're getting 8 grams of protein per 100 grams of tofu. Alright, number 5, let's talk minerals. Tofu brings in a fair bit of calcium and iron as well. Once again, per 100 grams, you're getting about 13% of your daily required calcium and 8% of your iron. On top of all that, tofu's pretty low in calories if you're trying to keep an eye on that. And number 6, when it comes to health benefits, eating tofu is basically on par with a healthy diet that involves the consumption of plant-based foods. That means a diet that decreases the risk of obesity, diabetes, and heart risk. So that's tofu. What do you think? Have you ever tried it before? Add your thoughts in the comments and let us know. And if you haven't, subscribe and join the Activebeat team. We'd love to have you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.